Hang on, don't start yet.
I'm just opening your party. Are you ready?
Almost.
Yep, this is fun. Okay. Mom, can I put all of this in? Mom, how about we make tiny ones and big ones? I'm ready.
You ready?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. What's step one? When we cook, what's step one?
Make a little one and a little one and big one. No.
Here's some scissors. Can I help you?
Mm-mm.
No. So let's read the instructions before we just start.
Good.
Does it smell so good? Okay, so are we making muffins?
Yeah,
or
that
loaf?
smells good. Muffins.
Okay, it says we need 3 eggs. Preheat the oven to 350. Can you preheat the
It
oven?
does taste good. Smell it.
Okay, I will. You press bake. Starts with B.
C-B.
Push it. And now go press start.
Top is right here.
Press it. Good job. So, next we need whisk. Somebody got a whisk. Do you want a big whisk or a little whisk? See you.
Big whisk. Tiny whisk. Tiny
Which one?
whisk. Tiny whisk.
Tiny? Okay, we'll set that. And then we need eggs,
Wait,
water, and
big
oil. The big one. 3 eggs. Do you crack eggs? Are you big
No.
enough? You're not big enough yet? Do you want to try it?
Yeah. Me too. Boiled eggs.
These are not boiled. We couldn't bake with them if they were boiled. I like to crack eggs into a clear jar. Crack it into here.
I don't want to crack it.
You don't want to crack it? Are you sure?
It's a little bit cracked. I don't crack it.
You did it. Nice. Good job. Look at that. Good. Now we're gonna pour. Let me see if there's any eggshells down in here. There's a couple. Let me go fish the eggshells out. You wait. Sit right there and wait. Oh, don't mess with that, please. Here you go. Now you're gonna pour your egg into this silver bowl. Pour it in. Nice. There's egg number 1. Now crack egg number 2. Keep going. Now turn the egg around. So you got a little hole going right there. So then you kind of rotate the egg. So now turn it like this and try to get another crack beside it. You're very good at this. Good. You think you could do another couple little cracks? Maybe give it like, instead of tiny cracks, like a decent sized whack right here, like a whoa, nice. There you go. Cha. You did it.
It's yucky.
They're a little bit yucky. It's okay. Don't flick it on me. Don't sling it everywhere. Just go to the sink and wash it is the best option here. Okay, I think there was less shells in that one than the first one. No, we got a couple in the bottom. Okay. You wait right there. We got one more to crack.
I don't want to crack this one.
The last one?
Yeah.
You already cracked the first one and the second one. Are you sure you don't want to crack eggs? Because you're 3. You might as well crack 3 eggs because you're 3 years old. Don't you think?
I did.
Okay, wash up your hands.
No, I want to crack
Oh,
it.
you want to crack it now that sister says she'll do it. It's a
You
miracle.
can do it.
Thank you. There you go. There's egg number 2. Let's pour it in our silver bowl. Pour egg number 2 in.
It's the egg one.
This is egg number 2. Pour it in. Nice. Good job. Now egg number 3.
track.
Okay, keep rotating around.
I don't want to slack it, the rest of it.
Keep going. You almost did it. You're almost finished. Almost there. Give it a couple more little whacks.
Do it, do it.
You want me to do this part? You just squeeze it a little. It's open. It's like you could get tat off. And then pour it out.
I can do it out.
Let me make sure there's no eggshells. Don't stick your fingers in.
There's an eggshell.
Is there? There is something there. Let me get it.
Eggshell.
Okay, here you go.
When?
Nice work. All right, now we can go get the sticky egg off our hand.
We're trying to make waffles.
We're trying to make muffins.
And what else?
What else?
Yeah.
Let's see. So we've got 3 eggs in there. Now we need water. A half of a cup of water.
Can I get the
Pour
water
it in.
inside?
I'll measure it and then you pour it in the bowl so we can get the right. Okay, here's the water. Half a cup of water. A third of a cup of oil. Don't mess with the camera.
I just rub my hand. I'm drop it, do my hand.
Let's get a little whisk going. Yeah.
Let's mix it. This doesn't taste good. Is it enough?
Maybe a little more, because I still see an egg yolk. The yellow. You see it? Maybe can you go a little faster? You can add this mix.
Put this in yet?
Pour it in slow so it doesn't make a big mess. Good job.
How much?
Let's use all of it.
Oh, all of it.
Nice.
Next time I want to make some of these. Now you have to mix it then?
Yeah, now you have to mix it again.
I'm excited for the dinner.
Do you know how to set a timer on it? 2
One,
and 5. And start. Wait, and twisting. Okay. Awesome. Don't open it.
it's not ready.
Which one do you want to eat?
This one and this one.
Both of them?